Yes, here we are in beautiful downtown Phoenix on a warm Monday afternoon, and it's October 6th, 2023. We're doing another beautiful wood floor restoration project in this 1920s home that has had some floor joist work done, and we'll be doing the cover up here where we remove the wood floor, reinforce the joists. Let's see, can we get a nice view? Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, there you go, all new wood. Reinforce. Side beam across. It was a little bit like a trampoline before, so we had to cut out the old wood floor, reinforce the joists, put plywood on top, make it flush. Then we'll be installing a new wood floor, which will be flush to this one. So the plywood will be flush to the original. New wood floor will be flush to this one. And same thing in the kitchen. It will be flush. Since this was a new plywood, put in a new wood floor on top. And one day, in the near future, we'll be putting wood floor in there. And we'll be sanding and refinishing that. And first we got to get this stage one. Look at that beautiful fireplace. Wow. These old homes are just very, very unique. So as you could see, we'll make a follow-up video. And you can see here, it'll be sanded and refinished. Look at the best part about this. It has a border. And it has maple inlay. Wow, wait till we get it done. I'll make another video tomorrow where we'll have to remove that, half of the pine floor, reinforce the joist, put plywood in. So this is what I mean where it has a trampoline effect. See my feet? Let me go right here, and you can see I'm just standing right here, but so we'll be doing that tomorrow. We'll stay tuned for a follow-up video here at Royal Wood Flooring, downtown Phoenix, 602-446-2613.